The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, DVD system, heated seats, traction control, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, cruise control, automatic stability control, keyless entry, front side airbags, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, backup camera, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.